What's the meaning of captivate? Captivate. Captivate.
Captivate. Captivate. To captivate means to attract and hold the attention of someone in a compelling way. The result of being captivated is a state of intense interest, engagement, and fascination with the object or person that has captured one's attention. When captivated, one may become so absorbed in the experience that they lose track of time, forget their surroundings, and feel completely engrossed in the moment. Captivation can be achieved through various means, such as storytelling, music, art, or simply the presence of someone with a magnetic personality.